Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today I am going to show you how I wear my hair wavy and how I diffuse my hair. So first I want to say that I am not sponsored by DevaCurl, even though DevaCurl, if you are watching this video, hit me up because I would not mind working with you. Anyways, I only use the DevaCurl products. So I just got out of the shower and I shampooed my hair with the DevaCurl No Poo shampoo, and I conditioned with the DevaCurl One Condition. Now you're seeing me put the DevaCurl styling cream in my hair. I guess there's no point in me saying DevaCurl all the time if I'm using all DevaCurl products. So I am putting styling cream in my hair, and I use 3 pumps of this all over my head. And as you can see, I rub the cream in my hands before I put it in my hair, and I scrunch my hair from the bottom to the top. Now I've got my head upside down because that also ensures even product distribution. Now I'm using the Arc Angel. This I put a ton of in my hair. I put about 5 to 6 pumps in my hair because I actually have a lot of hair. So I use the styling cream to defrizz me, but I use the gel to ensure curl separation. So in my hair, my curls don't separate properly because I have that much hair. Now for people who don't have that much hair, you don't need to use as much pumps as I would. However, like I said, I have thick, dense hair, so I would need a ton of pumps. And as you can see, I am distributing the gel in every single way possible. I've got my head sideways, backwards, forwards, and that also ensures even product distribution all over my head. I'm gonna fast forward some parts because the video could get really long and boring while I'm not talking. So I did want to mention though that I have wavy hair, clearly, as I've mentioned many times, but I have the privilege of not needing to comb my hair just because I find when I comb my hair loses its curl. So I just finger comb my hair. Now people who have very curly hair, yes, you would need to comb your hair, and my advice to you is to use a wide tooth comb when you do comb your hair. However, I don't need to. So in the next clip, I will be finding my part. I mean, the truth is that wherever my part lands that day is where my part lands that day. Now I've got the product all over my hair, so I'm taking my cotton towel again and I'm scrunching the product into my hair. So a lot of you may think, oh, a lot of the product is getting into the towel. It's actually not. You're pushing product into the hair shaft, so that ensures less frizz, and it also ensures that your hair will be at its fullest potential when you diffuse it. Please don't mind my half broken blow dryer. I will be replacing it. It's just that this blow dryer works and really no one sees it but me and my husband, and I'm really the only one that uses it, and it's fine so far. Anyways, the settings that I like to use when I diffuse my hair is medium heat and low pressure. Now you don't want to take all the moisture out of your hair in one shot. Well, you do, but you don't want to take it out really fast, which is why you want low heat. or low pressure, because if you do high pressure, first of all, your hair is going to be really frizzy, and if you do high heat, you evaporate the product and the water out of your hair too fast, and that ensures frizziness, which is not what you want to do. Now you can see that I'm diffusing my hair upside down. I like my hair to have a ton of volume, just because throughout the day, even with hairspray, my hair does fall. So I like to make it as big as I can. And so I diffuse my hair upside down. I don't move the diffuser too much, because when you do move the diffuser a lot, that also ensures frizziness. So pretty much when my scalp feels like it's almost burning, I move it. And you'll see that I diffuse my hair in all different directions. Like my head is on the right side, then it's on the left side, and that also ensures every time you diffuse your hair the opposite direction of which your head is, I don't know if I'm making any sense, you do get a ton of volume. So I'm almost done diffusing my hair. Now I don't diffuse my hair till it's 100% dry. And the reason why I don't do that is because if I diffuse it to 100% dry, the product loses its shine. And I find the DevaCurl line has a lot of shine. And for those of you who have wavy and curly hair, there's not much shine naturally to our hair. So I diffuse it to about 80% dry, 20% is still damp. I leave that. That still gives me shine. And then what I do is that when I feel like I'm completely done diffusing, I hit my whole head up with cool air. And I turn my head upside down, and that keeps all the curls in place, and that also gives me that last little oomph of volume in my hair. Does anyone ever have that problem where the part in their hair goes so far back, like it almost looks like a bald spot in the back of their hair? Because I have that problem and I can't fix it, and it's followed me my whole life. I guess I just learned to live with it, but let me tell you, I really don't like it. So anyways, to keep all the curls in place, I put hairspray all over my head. As you can see, I'm lifting up all the curls because I want every single curl to have hairspray on it. And that's really only because I'm a hairspray junkie. And not only that, but the more hairspray I put in my hair, the next day when I do wear my hair up, because these curls won't stay this curly, or at least I don't like my curls the next day that I do put my hair up, the more hairspray I use, the better of a style I get when I do put my hair up in a bun, because the bobby pins have the hairspray to grip onto. And that's me looking into the viewfinder, seeing my far back part, thinking that it's a bald spot, so there I am covering it because it's making me a little self-conscious. Anyways, that is my wavy hair tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below. And on my social media is Caught in the Corner. And that's about it. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!